I go place it on the table.
Through the magazine.
No, I hate those tiny little light rifles.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh crap.
Hey, it's Becky Yackley here at the NRA World Shooting Championships, and I shot this match for the last 3 years, and this year they had the MLR22 from Magnum Research, and I liked it better than all the 22s we've shot, and I was pretty happy with how I did.
Hey, this is Kay Mitchellek. I'm here at the NRA World Shooting Championships. Just got through with the Precision 22 stage, shooting a Magnum Research 22 rifle. Great shooting little rifle, very lightweight, good trigger. I just shot a 185, which is the top score so far, so it definitely worked well for me. I think that Magnum Research 22 rifle and the combination of that Ely ammo, hopefully it's going to be a winner for me for the match.
Well, my name is Staff Sergeant Grant. I currently live in Phoenix City, Alabama. I'm here at the 2016 NRA World Shooting Championship. I just completed shooting the 22 rimfire stage. This is a Magnum Research 22 modeled sort of like the Ruger 1022. It's a very interesting rifle. It's very light, very easy to use. It has a lot of similar functions to the Ruger 1022, the bolt action, the bolt catch, bolt release, safety, the trigger mech, and the magazine. It's a very nice rifle. I think it's very accurate. Actually, I was very impressed with it. Shooting it off the bench, I had 2 shots keyhole, no problem, without even never touching the gun before. And then I picked it up and I shot 1 shot offhand, and it was real close to the group that I shot off the bench. It's got a Vortex 1 in 24 scope. Pretty nice little scope. It was very clear. Reticle is a little thicker than I would like it to be, but it worked really well. I feel I shot pretty good with it. It's a nice light rifle, and I enjoyed shooting it.